Hi, I am Roxana from WPEstate, and in this video I will show how to install the WPEstate Multilanguage plugin for the WPResidence theme. In this video I will show how to install the plugin, what happens when you activate it, how to add your languages, and what to do if you want to deactivate or uninstall the plugin. The WPEstate Multilanguage plugin was included in the WPResidence 5.6 version, so before installing the plugin, make sure that your site is running WPResidence version 5.6 or a higher version, and that you have a recent site backup. The plugin creates its own database tables during activation, so having a backup first is the recommended starting point. Installing the plugin is simple. The easiest option is from WP-admin. The plugin will show as one of the team recommended plugins, and you just need to click the install button, press install, return to the required plugin installer, and activate the plugin. The plugin is now active. I will go to dashboard, and now you will see the WPEstate Translate section here. Inside the WPEstate Translate menu, you'll find the main setup area. You'll have Start Here, Languages, Theme and Plugin Strings, Taxonomy Translations, Custom Field Rules, Automatic Translation, Menu Synchronization, and Settings. The Start Here page is the recommended place to begin because it guides you through the plugin in the correct order. The suggested setup is simple. First, add the languages you want and choose the default one. The site default language will be set as the default language in the plugin as well. You can select your languages from the language catalog here. You just need to press the add language button and the new language will be added under the languages manager. You can switch the default language and you can enable, disable, make it visible or delete it. You can choose as many languages as you want, and you can also add custom languages by filling in the details manually. Once you are done, you need to save languages. Next, you need to scan theme and plugin strings from the theme and plugin strings. Then choose which taxonomies should be translatable, review custom field rules, and if needed, connect to an automatic translation provider such as OpenAI, synchronize your menus, and finish by reviewing global settings. Once you configure more than one language, the plugin also adds a language switcher in the WP-admin here. You can switch editing language from the top admin bar, and you can also use the language selector inside post or page editor to move between translated versions more easily. There will be available videos for each section in the plugin, and next I will explain what to do if you want to deactivate or uninstall the plugin. It is important to understand the difference between deactivating and uninstalling the plugin. Deactivating simply stops the plugin from running. The menu disappears and the language URLs stop resolving, but your translation data stays in the database. Uninstalling the plugin removes the plugin files and deletes only certain configuration entries, while keeping translating posts, translating terms, glossary data, translation memory, and the plugin tables in place as a safety net. The reset and delete translations can be done from the settings section. If you want to start over without uninstalling, use the reset tool found in the settings section. This tool clears the plugin tables and options, rebuilds the defaults, and lets you reconfigure the plugin from scratch while keeping translating posts and terms as regular WordPress content. If you want to delete translation, you'll have this section here, and you can choose which post translations will be deleted. You can choose the language from which they will be deleted, and you can also delete translated terms and select the taxonomies and language here. This is the WPEstate Multilanguage Translate plugin overview and quick setup process. Once installed and activated, the Start Here page gives you a clear path through languages, strings, taxonomies, menus, and settings, so you can build a multi-language real estate website step by step. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.